Here I have OPPO F1s. Let me show you how to reset app and app data on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's unlock the screen, find and select here the settings. From the list of settings you need to scroll down, and here let's select additional settings. Choose here the backup and reset, and here let's tap factory data reset. So here you can choose erase app data, apps that can be uninstalled, and what's really important, this feature keep only the data you saved like photos and music. All other stuff will be erased, including the app data and apps that can be uninstalled. So let's tap on this feature, and here you've got the confirmation about this operation. Tap OK to perform it and wait until the welcome panel pops up. This may take a while, so let's just be patient. Excellent, as you can see the welcome panel just pops up, so the reset operation is done. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave a thumbs up under the video.